Let's get it.
Everybody, it's the fucking show. It's the fucking show. And he's your host with the most friend. It's the fucking show. It's the show. It's the show. Hell yeah, okay? The motherfuckers know.
Let's get it, man. I ain't gonna waste your time. Let's crank up this Soldier Boy. Before we begin, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We have finally went past 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. You know what? While I cried rolling up the spliff, introducing the Breezer. The Breezer got something to say, man. Y'all ready? Let's get it.
Nigga, I'm waiting on your video, nigga. I'm waiting on the videos, nigga.
Man, I wonder what video he's talking about, man. Well, that's who we gonna talk about. Let's get it. This guy, the Nature Boy, Master Teacher, man. Master Teacher has cried past the reefer, man. Breezer, go ahead.
I told you, nigga. That nigga is done, nigga. That nigga is done.
He's done. Let's do it right. Nature Boy is done, and Breezer was requesting the video.
Nigga, I'm waiting on your video, nigga.
Well,
I'm
fuck
waiting
it. We about to crank up this Soldier Boy. Nigga, let's get it. Now, where have we found this filth on filth Nature Boy from? The big homie Sarnetta. Sarnetta's couch. Sarnetta's couch, right? Now, I know Sarnetta haven't been covering this stuff. You want to know why Sarnetta ain't been covering this stuff? Because homeboy is done. He's cooked. Sarnetta has seen his ace boo cooled, right? Eugene went into the jailhouse first. He got him 9 years. But this guy right here, he's going to do 2 fucking light years and some techno bowl numbers. Oh, shit. Right? Ooh, man. Put fire up on spliff.
Roll it up, get me, roll it up.
Oh, man. Let's get it. Man, Breezer played a clip from Nick at Night. I like Nick. Nick is he's very attractive. Right? She's covering the story. Everybody's covering it. But we conscious community heads, we already know about Nature Boy. We know about Nature Boy. We know about Young Pseudonym. We know about Umar, right? We know what comes off of Sarnetta's couch. And shout out to Sarnetta. I fuck with Sarnetta. I know y'all don't. Y'all call him Saw Satan, Saw Cheddar. He's the Don King of that conscious community shit. Right? Let's hit some more of the Breezer, man. Let's get it, man. Cause Breezer said,
Nigga, I'm waiting on your video, nigga. I'm waiting on the videos, nigga. Nigga, exactly, nigga. That nigga, he's stupid. Nigga, bottom line is that nigga stupid. See, I mean,
all right, Breezer, but why is this nigga stupid? Well, let's get it, man. We found out about 3 God, Nature Boy. He was on that, oh, you need to live natural. Be out there one with nature. be out there with the nature boy, right? Out there in nature, right? They drinking river water. They eating the vegetables and the fruits of the land. And they had a phrase called, when you call your peoples, your brother, your brethren, your sister, they said, peace reflection, because you're a reflection of yourself. Reflection. But now the nature boy, he went out of that realm. And he's trapped up in the legal system. Right? And it ain't his first time. They lived on the land. They had a Grand Cherokee looking like Iron High Transformer Mobile or something they packed in. They was camping outdoors, fucking off key money. Dude had some retirement or something, got something from his people. It was like 300,000. Man, they blew through that. Man, nature boy blew through that. Then a modern woman right here talking about if you ain't got $50,000, you can't date. You can't date. What's going on here? They was out there in nature, right? Telling us living off the land. But I thought they was out there for like years and stuff, right? But Breeza dropped a gem on me on this one.
Oh, nigga, it's more, nigga. They using audio, nigga. They using that nigga police testimony, nigga. Oh, this nigga. This nigga.
Ignorance at its finest. My brother, that's what you telling me? Ignorance. Proceed.
Yeah, this police testimony was just gloating, nigga, just cooking himself, nigga. This is
first sign of a psychopath. Jim Jones. You need to tell me they trying to do some Heaven Gate? They got on the magical Nikes and shit in the spacesuits and they want to chill with the aliens? Oh, nature boy's different. He wants you to go out. You got to go within. You got to go within, right? Not only nature boy want all your possessions, and that's pimping, right? Pimping. Eugene in jail, a follower, Dr. York, master teacher. And all of them call themselves master teacher. And guess what master teacher is? He locked up, won't let him out. Oh, nigga, you can't do that more science bullshit. Try to get up out of there like I got freedom to roam. No. The nature boy. Man, dude is in so much hot water, he wanted to fire his attorney. He wanted to fire his attorney. Well, hey, if you was getting locked up, right, and charged for some shit, and you just now had the moment of clarity that the shit is real, and the judge sound like this?
We've got some breaking news out of Georgia in the polygamist cult leader trial. Defendant Ilio Nature Boy Bishop is asking the judge to dismiss his attorney. And things are getting heated. If you are new to this case, Bishop is on trial for allegedly raping one of his cult followers and releasing revenge porn. The defense's case is starting today, and the heated arguments started up moments ago. We're gonna.
Hey, 3 guy, done. He done. He cooked. He done. It's a wrap. It's a gordita.
We're going to pick up from there.
Yes. The state's suggestion is that the court made clear that Mr. Bishop has 2 options under the Sixth Amendment, and he's to select.
For you to get a new lawyer. You either proceed with Mr. Booker or you proceed by yourself. Period. Two choices. Those are the only ones you have.
Is that on record?
Yes, everything is on the record.
Okay, I would like to fire my attorney if I can find new
Okay,
counsel.
that is not an option. Okay, you're not listening.
That is not an option. Let me break this shit down like brown bud. The judge, that's MK Specs in the workplace. She is going to reiterate to Nature Boy, Elios Bishop, nigga, we on trial. We gonna roll with it. That attorney you got, homie, you gonna have to roll with it. Cause I know in a case like this, you ain't gonna do a Charles Manson and gonna represent yourself. He better unlock that Jesus, G, because he be saying, what did he say? What did Nature Boy say? He said he's the Christ. If he was the Christ, this damn trial would have been nothing. He done.
Listening to me, Mr. Bishop. The options are proceed with Mr. Booker or proceed without an attorney. Those are the
proceed with motherfucking Mr. Booker or you are fucked. But you already fucked.
Nigga, he's stupid. Nigga, bottom line is that nigga stupid. Right. And see, and not only that, with them laws, see, he ain't knowing what laws he broke, but then it's like they telling him what you did, and he still ain't getting it, nigga. It's like, look, nigga, we can only defend you so much, nigga. Nigga, he done, nigga. Now it's starting to click, like, nigga, this is serious, nigga. It's like, nigga, you ain't coming home, nigga. This is it.
And I wanna know what they gon' do with Elio. This is it. He done. And this should be a lesson to you conscious community niggas and shit. They need to get yada ass too. Clean that shit up, right? Clean that shit up. What have we learned, right? Family, right? What have we learned? Then get your motherfucking money and these niggas be doing too much. Nature Boy got a resume. Not only did he let the doggy woggy taste his frankfurter. Yuck! The dog. God damn! He ain't Nature Boy. That nigga nasty boy. Nasty. Ask Miss Jenny. She nasty. No, he's nasty. Right? The child of the house was like, what's that? He said, frankfurter. Here, you can touch and grab it. What the fuck are you doing, nigga? The mama up there, dumb as a motherfucker up there looking at shit, right? But like, nigga, what are we doing? We nasty. Right? He's doing the sisters and he's doing the brothers. They all get a taste of three guys, right? Help you with your enlightenment. It's the biggest scam. Did you hear back in the old days what he used to do when Nature Boy and his homeboy used to go up in the club? You remember what he said? Y'all remember? I'll refresh it. He said, nigga, on Friday. Friday we'll go out and get burnt, nigga. Burnt. What does that mean? What are you talking about burnt? I'm talking about a hot dog is red hot. Hot dog spitting red hot. He said we couldn't even afford the medication. I had to break a pill like we doing ecstasy to the homeboy so he could go get cured too. And do the same thing the next week. Hey, niggas, right? Listen to me. He was on tape, right? A Pornhub type tape. We cooking. Reese, stop laughing. We gonna discredit this nigga worse than that motherfucker goddamn prosecutor discrediting his ass. Cause we done already did it. He already been entertainment. We knew he threw up the dub because that nigga was the real wacko. Wacko, yakko, and a dot. He's an animaniac. Got him on tape Dr. Wally is like, hey, let me reach up in that bung hole. Yo, listen to me, right? Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. That nigga was awesome.
Now we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours. Nigga, I'm waiting on your video, nigga. I'm waiting on the video, nigga. That's why I sent you the link, nigga.
Man, let's give a round of applause for the motherfucking breezer, goddammit, nigga, coming through, man. Hey, are we going out like that? You goddamn right, man. But that what happens. When you be out there, you're doing too goddamn much. It's a special part of the show, man, where I let you motherfuckers know, man. It's a special part of the show where I need y'all, sisters, brothers, and others. It's Cash App time. I want you to hit the Cash App. I need that. Niggas ain't MCs, y'all, he sheets. Blowing mics up like 1, 2, 3. I'm in the parking lot slinging niggas for free. Who is your bro? Who is your bro? KRIBONNE. Right here, man. Hold up. Somebody's on the line. And you know who the fuck it is. Introducing Esquire. He's legendary, phenomenal, shocking, edgy, the pound cakery specialist. We gonna take this shit from LA to the UK, baby. Introducing UK motherfucking Wally. Stand your ass up. Let's get it.
UK WALLY. I was thinking about this motherfucker was living with P. Diddy. Yeah, why would you want to live with a nigga called P. Diddy Puff Steve, whatever? That don't make no sense to me, whatever. But apparently he was living with P. Diddy. Hell.
Who was living with P. Diddy? Oh, the assistant and shit. That was assisted in shit. Man, I tell you, man. That nigga house is a Bombada's house, nigga. Let's keep it a buck. Put something in your drink. Your butter be hurting. Go ahead, my brother.
Oh, that shit diabolical, nigga. Why would you want to live with a guy named Puff Steve? He wants to take that, show me, take that. Nigga, I would...
Wait.
Now we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
That's what we talking about? Dude.
Be around here one damn bit, motherfucker. But he dated P. Diddy when he was living P. Diddy, trying to work on an album or music or something.
That's the ploy. The trap.
whatever, and P Diddy drugged him, whatever, and took his stuff.
Damn, man, are we going out like that?
Hell no.
That nigga damn P Diddy.
Now we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
Oh Lord, nigga. He took his pussy. You motherfucker be talking about I saw this other deal about other job talking about his pussy. I'm like, what the fuck is that shit? I guess that's his interpretation of his stuff, whatever the fuck that is. But anyway, all doing good. That shit is weird, but why would you want to hang out with P. Diddy and live with that nigga? You looking for fame and fortune, Hollywood. The only thing I can think of is nigga. And the line that there.
Hey, you go over there, they told you, hey, you gotta tell Puffy motherfucker no. Didn't they say that shit? Well, hey, you know, you like, hey, you got an invitation to them, you know. Right? You gotta be careful about that. Hit, weak.
I'm telling P. Diddy trying to take your refreshments and shit, nigga, and trying to take that.
And we know we ain't about to let nobody take our refreshments, huh? You goddamn right. Be careful. I tell you, man, we seen Diddy with that big old bed in the backyard. When I seen that shit, I said, this nigga on some Greek shit, nigga. That nigga, That's fucking, man. Can't tell me different. If I come to your backyard and you got motherfucking greenhouses and shit, that nigga, I know you ain't growing more than vegetables, nigga. And I smell that stitch, man. I look back there and you a proud grower and shit. You gonna give me a sample, nigga? Come on now. That big old bed was strictly for some. I was just trying to let you know. That nigga Puffy should be down with Marvel, nigga. Cause you could tell he a watcher and shit, nigga. He kick back, he watch. He like to watch. At them. Go ahead, Wally.
No, motherfucker, I ain't trying to be around that nigga. That was no goddamn Puffstein Epstein, dude, motherfucker. I don't even want to do no music with that nigga. I do music. You can do music at your own fucking house with a damn laptop computer and goddamn condensed microphone. UK WALLY has done the research, okay? You don't need to be around no motherfucker. Unless you try to look for fame and fortune and dollar signs, and you're gonna be getting some other unquestionable activity. UK WALLY, motherfucker, got to go back to the plantation so the slave masters can whip my ass and beat me in submission to make me work harder.
Goddamn.
UK WALLY.
Man, my brother from another mother, man. Goddamn. From LA to the UK, man. With the airplane in the background and shit. LAX. Bitch. Goddamn. Shouts out to you, brother motherfucking Wally. But before I go, man, since we was on some Mr. Bishop Nature Boy in court, before I go, we're going to talk about this shit real quick. Some more ignorance at its finest, boy. Woo! Look, it seems like when you fuck with Agent Orange and shit, it kind of backfires and blows up in your face like one of them Acme Acre Wile Coyote super genius type of shit. Wrong button, but we gonna keep it pushing. Wrong button, but we gonna keep it pushing. I made a mistake, but we gonna make it great, right? Let's get it. All right, we got, man, two brothers. They known each other for 10 years, right? The councilwoman. We found out some interesting stuff. Man, the councilwoman used to come through and get that dick in the office. Quid pro quo was cracking off, man. And the brother over here, Mr. Snitcher Rudy, he was feeling the pressure so much, boy. Man, one of you ladies should have gave him one of them vagina wipes the way this nigga was up here sweating. He was sweating his ass up. These are professionals, right? They're attorneys. He's sweating up under oath. I respect bro on the right, man. Bro on the right, man. I respect you. You don't want to know why? Here we go before I fucking go. I respect this brother. He came from nothing to something. That nigga had $2,000 in the bank account. Got with Fani, hit that Fani, that nigga leveled up. Got a job and all that, right? Got the homie motherfucking hookup, right? And all he had to do was slang that dick like dope. Now, what's going down is integrity. They said they ain't talked to each other in 2 goddamn years. Nigga, if that was me in the breezer, nigga, I already done sit that nigga a kite on what to say. Nigga, it's gonna go down, nigga. He got up there talking. All right, dude on the left, Snitcher Rudy, right? Got up for that pressure for that white lady who was cooking his ass. She was like, hey, nigga, how did you know that they was fucking at the office? Explain that shit. He got up there talking like Porky Pig. His homie up there looking at him like, come on, nigga, get it together. He up there. These motherfucking memes that they was putting out, man, the memes that was talking about, nigga, they had homeboy picture up here, dude on the left, and this picture up there, and they had the spill the beans, spill the frijoles. We call that diarrhea of the jaw. He got up there talking like Porky Pig, man, bro, man, up here like, well, shit, if it's all gonna go down, it's gonna fall on her. And he got integrity. Fani got up there throwing him up under the bus, because she don't want to take no responsibility. She don't want to take no accountability and shit. Hey, Fani. Yo, just like Nature Boy. You done too. You done, man. Donald Trump went out there sending the best boy to give us some goddamn Negro entertainment, ignorant at its finest. Goddamn. I need me a Fani in my goddamn life. I thought Shawty O'Neal giving up that little couple of 20 racks was good. This nigga got what, $350,000 a year? Shit. Had that nigga up here singing with me. Had that nigga living his best life. Of course they had over fucking 3,500 fucking text messages back and forth and shit. He trying to secure the bag, right? Right? He trying to secure the bag, man. She come through in that limo, go up in that back room in the office and shit. You doing it like that? Ooh, that's freaky. Hey, to get busted by the triangulation of the cell phone should tell you something. And I'm motherfucking gold. Yo, and that was...
Everybody is the fucking shit.
Yeah, nigga. Like, share, and subscribe. Well, alright, y'all.
Hell yeah, MK.